Hey everyone, this is Saiful. Today I'm gonna show you a very interesting Python script that can detect the difference between two images at a glance. So in social media, sometimes we faced some challenges that someone asks you to spot or detect the difference between two images or the dissimilarities between two images. So I'm gonna show a very simple and interesting Python script that can detect the different dissimilarities or the difference between two images. So here is our two images for sample. So I already opened these two images. So in our eyes, how can we detect the what the dissimilarities is? And it's so tough to identify what the dissimilarities is. For example, if you look very deeply, then you can see here is a bicycle and the bicycle was missing in this picture. Similarly, in picture 1 there is a football, and in picture 2 the football is missing. Again, there is a football in picture 2 and there is no football on this point in picture 1. So similarly, there can be a lot of dissimilarities in these two pictures. So in our human eye, we sometimes probably cannot find all the difference between these two images. So let's get help from Python. For this, I'm gonna use our Sublime Text for text editor. I'm gonna make a new file and save it in the same directory where my two images are loaded, and the name I'm gonna mention is as diff.py as the extension of Python, and let's code here. So for this we are using a package that's name is Pillow. Let's explore first Pillow packages. So what the package does is it's an image library package in Python, and what it does is it's opening, manipulating and saving many different images file formats. So how we can install this package, here is the documentation. So you can easily install by using your pip command. If you didn't have installed this Pillow package, so you can use easily pip install Pillow in your CMD. So I already installed these Pillow packages, so let's directly dive into our scripts. So first I'm gonna load the packages, not load whole packages. I'm gonna use only two module from these packages. So from PIL, this is the short form of Pillow, import image and image chops. So what image module does and what image chops module does. Image module will help to load the local two images into this script, and image chops will find the difference between these two images. So let's first load these two images from local directory to in our script. I'm making a variable called let's say img1 img1 equals to image dot open. So what our first image name is image1.jpeg and the second one is image2.jpeg. So img1.jpeg. Similarly, I'm gonna load the second image as img2.jpg and store it in image2 variable. So our two images already loaded in our script. So let's find out the difference. So let's say diff equals to image chops dot difference. So here I'm gonna pass two parameter as our two images, img1 comma img2. So what it does is it differentiated the img1, image1 and image2 and store it in diff variable. So there might be dissimilarities, there might not be dissimilarities. So if diff dot get bounding box if there is a difference, then div dot show. So that's all. So I saved it, and let's run from terminal. Python div.py. It's div.py. So here show an error that is image object has no attribute get box. Oh, I missed it. It's not get box, it's get bounding box. So it's get b box, that means get bounding box, and saved it and run it again. So it's generate an image that is PNG format. So let's see what this image is. Here is my picture 1, here is my generated image, and here is picture 2. So in this generated image we are seeing that there is black, all these objects are black, and some portion of this object are highlighted. So the difference between image 1 and image 2 is the highlighted portion, in a short. So let's see, is it right or not. So in the first image we can see there is a bicycle, and in the second image there is no bicycle, so bicycle is highlighted. And similarly, as I mentioned, that there is a football and there is a missing football, so the football is highlighted. Also there is a missing football and there is a football, so the second football is also highlighted. Similarly, what is this? In this picture we can see that someone is meditating on a carpet, sitting on a carpet, but there is no carpet, the carpet is missing, so the carpet portion is highlighted. Similarly, we can find all these highlighted portion as the difference. So it's very easy to detect the difference between two images without the help of 6 lines of Python code. So thanks. That's all.